Hi all. So in this current video we are going to discuss about the how to generate and validate OTPs in Python. So for that first you need to import the module, that is random module, which is used to generate some OTP numbers in Python. After that I'm taking one registered mobile number, so you can take the number directly, and we are taking a number from the user, that it should be taken from the number from the user. And then simply we are going to take, we are validating by checking the registered number is equal to the entered number. If both are matching, we are going to generate one OTP from the user, that is random.randint. The 1000 is the least number and 9999 is the highest number. So among this number any one number will be generated as a OTP. So just we are displaying that OTP. After that we need to take a number from the user. So user OTP is equal to int of input enter OTP. So if user OTP is double equal to with the generated OTP, so we can say that it is matching. If both are matching, we can say like user entered OTP was generated OTP, we can say login success. Else we can say print invalid OTP. If the user number or the mobile number itself is not working, I can say invalid number. So that is a small code, simple code. So let us run the code. So I need to enter one number. So the number is 91 I'm taking. So the generated OTP is 2282. 2282 I'm typing. You can see login success. If I take the same number, different number, I can see invalid number. Now my mobile number is correct, but the OTP is wrong. I can see invalid OTP. Note this is the only basic level example. So in real time applications, we will not print the OTP directly in the portal, in the user's portal. That will be printed in the applications like OTP sent to the user's interfaces like SMS services such as Simulio, other SMS gateways. So this is only the beginner friendly example. Thank you.